Welcome to Tayo, the platform that connects tenants, property managers, and service providers. Let's see how tenants submit requests. This is your homepage. It's separated into 3 sections. The first section contains your contact information. In the second section, you see the notifications from your property manager. It looks like there will be a power shutdown on the 20th of December. In the third section, you can see all the requests, claims, and works for your apartment, as well as their status. Let's report a claim by clicking New Request. We have a flood in the basement. Here is a picture. And I'm only available on Mondays and Thursdays, not in the morning, but in the afternoon from 3 to 5. I click on Send, and voila, we're done. That was easy.